Well, today we have a great experience coming to this place. We're practicing another of the very traditional practices of culture here in Weifang. I think it was super fun to do. We also have a very kind and friendly master who taught us what are the different practices to make this kind of kite. We have the chance to cut, we have the chance to put together every single piece. We also need to have a lot of precision. We were cutting, we were painting a lot, and at the end we have a very beautiful kite. At the end we have the chance to go next to the workshop where it was a little bit windy and we had the chance to actually fly the kite all around. It was a super fun experience. I would recommend to anybody who visit Weifang to just come here and do the same. There are a lot of colors, a lot of different kind of shapes, and the whole practice, the whole experience is very fun to do.